Hello everyone, this is Gabrielle, and in this tutorial I'll be going over some basics in the Temple tab. So first you'll sign in to FamilySearch.org, and once you do so you'll see your name over here on the right hand side. Once you are logged in, you will click on Temple. Then you'll click on All Reserved. And this will take you to the Temple File tab. If you're not a member of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, then your account will not have this tab. However, if you are a member of the church, then you can see this tab. So here we have all reserved, not printed, printed, and shared with family members, friends, or the temple, as well as ordinances ready. If you want to find a family file name fast, then view my video on how to find a family file name fast. It's using this tab. However, in this tutorial I'll be talking about the basics of this tab. So here you can use the legend to understand what all of these different colors mean. So these dark green, I've already printed these family file names. However, if they're light green, it would be that I've requested them. This can be very helpful, and that is the legend. Here you can view the reservation policy that the church has. The basic policy that you need to know is that once you reserve a family file name, you have it for 2 years. After 2 years, it will be released back to your family, so then anybody on your family tree has access to reserve it after those 2 years have expired. So here you can see that this name expires May 20th of 2020. So that lets me know that I have until then, and then the name will be released. This also explains the ordinances. If you just want to filter it by just sealings, then you can do that. If you want to print these names, you'll select these little squares, so they're check marks. Then you can press print. This is also the share feature. If you want to share with the temple, this is where you would do it. You need to be conscientious of this though, because once you share it with the temple, there's no way of getting it back. So I would only share with the temple my family file names if I had way too many to do. But first reach out to family members and see if they would like to take family file names before you release them to the temple. If you want to share them with family and friends, you can do that as well. So here you type your name, the recipient's name, and then their email. Then you would click send, and then that person can access the family file names that way. Here, if you click not printed, then it will pull up all the names that you've not printed, or you can review which ones you've printed. And that is it for this video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Please let me know if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, or tell me a way that I could improve, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more helpful videos like these. Thanks, bye!